Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to go over briefly about what we've planted so far. So these are Candy Mountain Foxgloves, followed by a Shasta Daisy, and these are raspberry bushes. Raspberry Surprise Dianthus and a Provence Lavender, and a Silver Mound Artemisia, followed by a Spirea. I've planted some sweet peas here on the trellis. There's a daffodil there, and our rose bushes. So planted on the trellis is sweet peas, and alyssum is between the roses here. Some daffodils and our 4 rose bushes. So these hostas are almost about ready to bloom. The autumn blizzard clematis here has white blossoms, but will not bloom until autumn. This is the Little Bang Starlight Coreopsis. And our rock garden. In this rock garden we had sempervivums and sedums. This is a blue spruce. This is a silverine. My favorite, blue tear sedum. This is an Angelina sedum. And a black and Pacific blue ice sempervivum. These ferns were here when we moved in, so we did not plant those. I do not know the variety name of this purple clematis, but it's very beautiful. We believe is a cedar tree that planted itself, and some raspberries that we have, and some strawberries that are great. Very good. So we used some of the loam to create the rest of the bed around the house, almost around the whole house. I've been trying to weed this area. It's been very difficult. This is our dwarf Japanese maple. That's what's left of our loam pile. Not a lot going on with this bed. Sparkleberry over there on the left. And some plants that will be blooming very soon. We were just talking about getting more blooming flowers for this time of year, so we don't really have that many. Really loving this shepherd's hook. I'm going to be putting a hummingbird feeder on the top and maybe some hanging baskets on the bottom. But looking really good so far. I'm really happy with the progress that we've been making on the house. When this area is more in bloom, I'll give you guys a more detailed description of what I have planted in it. But for now, I'm just gonna show you what's here so far and what it looks like at this current moment. Hopefully by this time next year, we'll have more plants that are in bloom around this time, the end of June and early summer. But for now, one day at a time, and I'm very happy with the progress we've been able to make. If you liked this video and you like my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And thanks so much for watching. I'll be sure to see you in the next video.